Most federal judge positions are appointed for life. For life. Forever, ever, ever, ever. Whereas in some state courts, it's for a term. 4 years at a time, things like that. Then they run again and they run again. But at the federal level, whether it be federal district court judges, which are like the trial judges, appellate court judges, circuit court judges, what we call the circuit court in the federal system, and the Supreme Court, appointed for life. Now, the Supreme Court judges get the most press and the most news. That's the ones we know about, the 9 judges of the Supreme Court. But there's a lot of federal judges, again, at the circuit level, which is the Court of Appeals, and at the district level, the judges that try the cases and hear the cases. It's very important that people understand that the people who get put in power, they're the ones who appoint those federal judges, right? The senators and congressmen and the president, right? The president selects who he wants to be a Supreme Court or a federal court judge, and the Congress has to approve it, right? Sometimes they don't get approved, but most times they get approved. They go through their hearings, right? People talk about how the president is elected for 4 years and another 4 years. The most they can do is 8 years. But they can leave a lasting impact based off the judges, right? If a conservative president is in and he elects if he appoints a lot of conservative judges, rulings are going to look a certain way. And if a liberal president is in and he appoints a lot of liberal judges, rulings are going to look a certain way. So all of that matters, right? Like, that has a lasting effect. So when people talk about, why does my vote matter? It doesn't matter. It does, because your vote could be the difference, right? And in the long run, into the judge that might be hearing your case in whatever situation, contract dispute, criminal situation, wrongful termination. That judge that's hearing your case on a federal level is there for life, right? And your vote plays into potentially down the line if that person gets picked for that job. So it's important.